So this is a demonstration of using the shuffling clock multiplier, the Segwencer, with a Q119 as a ratchet sequencer setup. So what I've got is a Q106 as the pulse for the shuffling clock multiplier, and I'm taking the one time out to that as the timer for the sequencer. If you can watch, I can speed it up, slow it down via the 106. Then I have the multipliers divide by 1, so 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time, going into the 1, 2, 3, and 4 slot of the Segwencer, and then sending that mix out to the envelope generator. And if you can see, the lights are flashing, and I'm using the second row of the Q119 to be the selector for which output of the sequencer I'm using. So I'm going to turn that up so you can hear it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I can get 8. 5. And then I could use the rotate and slip functions to get various sequences, or use the skip function to get odd timings. And then I can select which one of the 4 from up here, all the way to the left, is 1. So we have them all at 1 now. 2, 3, 4. A little bit of shuffle there. And I also have the restart going from the 3rd row, so I can and there you have it, ratcheting with a Segwencer and a shift multiplier.